Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD second year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So today's video is going to be a video on detailed review of Marrow. Like you all might be knowing about Marrow, which is a leading online platform for FMG and NEET PG aspirants mainly. Like it is one of the best platforms also, you can say, because all the rank holders from FMG, like top 10 rank holders, were mostly using Marrow. Like yeah, 5 to 6 students are using Marrow, and you might have seen them on Marrow advertising like everywhere, like Facebook Marrow page and Marrow app and YouTube, everywhere. So in today's video we'll be seeing about Marrow, like what are the best plans. Like Marrow has plan A, B, C, which is the best plan to go for, and why Marrow, like how can we study by using Marrow, is it useful or are there more disadvantages than advantages in using Marrow, or like what is the best for us, Marrow, Prep Ladder, like why we are going to choose Marrow, and what are the lectures of Marrow like, and about the teachers, or sorry, the doctors that are teaching in Marrow, like what are the approach in which they teach, about the notes, that like it is useful to buy or order the notes from Marrow, or is it useful to like do or write the notes while the teacher is teaching. So all this will be covering in this video. So the first thing we'll be coming into is the thumbnail. Okay, in the thumbnail you might have seen 15 days extra. So that basically means is like if you use my coupon code that I have given in the description, and also in the comment I've highlighted it and pinned it, so you can see the coupon code while you are buying a Marrow subscription. If you give this coupon code, okay, so the thing is I'll be getting 15 days extra on my subscription. Like I have a plan C subscription for 1 year, so I will get 15 days extra, and you will also get 15 days extra. So this is the thing, like 15 days extra. So by this, basically what you can do is, if you have a subscription of 1 year, you can increase that, like by this 15 days. If you refer also 4 friends, you'll get 2 months extra. So like it is going to be beneficial for you, because the amount of videos that we have on Marrow, it is like quite impossible to complete it in 1 year. Like yeah, like we're having the colleges, the classes going on, exams simultaneously completing is very hard for like for me, like second year MD student. And then the second thing that will be coming into is like which is the best plan for you to choose. Basically Marrow has 3 plans: plan A, plan B and C. Okay, so 3 plans, and the plan C is basically in which everything you'll get everything for what you pay for. Like you'll get video lectures, all the master classes, and then QBank, and also the test series. Okay, Marrow also conducts like worldwide plans level tests, like in the form of NEET PG and yeah, FMG exams also, INISET, everything. So you can give that exams monthly, weekly, all that. And basically plan A and B are in which you will get question banks, and in another plan you will be getting only the like previous year questions and notes and all that, but you won't get the video lectures in plan A and B. For like video lectures, you need to go for plan C, like everything you will get. And according to me, the best thing for you is obviously going to be plan C. Obviously it costs a bit high, like you can see in the screen, like the amounts. But the thing is, for plan C, if you are paying 32,500 for 1 year, it is totally worth it. And in today's day, you are getting 1 month extra, okay, for the edition 5 that is currently going on. And I think it's pure value for money. Like in 1 year you can complete a lot of the video lectures. The QBanks are very useful, and also you will be getting the lot of exam papers, and you will also get to give the live exams also you can give. Okay, so in laptop you can open, and when the exams go on, it opens for 1 day, 2 day before it expires, so you can give that also. So you'll get a good experience of how you are going to give NEET PG or FMG. And then the third thing basically is in Marrow, like at first when I was using, I didn't knew about this, but later like when you'll also be using, you'll get to know, like you can go, and here you can see, you can go and select NEET PG or FMG. Okay, so if you choose NEET PG, like you'll be getting all the video lectures, okay, like all the video lectures that are available on Marrow app. If you change it to FMG, then you can see the number of video lectures get shortened up, because the FMG is a bit easier exam than NIT PG. Okay, so basically there are a lot of the syllabus becomes less, so the video lectures are less. And recently in 2-3 months, because in medicine there were 222 lectures. Okay, so Marrow reduced it by getting a new initiative called Med 80. So in 80 hours you will be getting through the whole medicine. Okay, so and there are around 100 lectures, but it's 80 hours only. Previously there were 222 lectures, like 170 or 180 hours. That was a huge amount of time. They've done total half of that. So it's a very useful thing for the FMG students, and this is a good feature. I think most of you would be having the same question, why Marrow? Because what I think is Marrow has a very good, like the faculty that Marrow has, like the faculty of doctors are very good. Because the thing is, in the universities, that what we are being taught is basically from the books, and the books are very vast, and they basically in the classes also they don't cover the exam perspective of the MCQs, clinical cases and all that stuff. So it becomes a bit tough for us, like who are preparing for FMG or NIT PG, because all the students are preparing, and if you don't prepare, you are totally like getting on the classes and the books. If you want to prepare for them, it is going to be very hard. You won't get the MCQ pattern question banks, papers, FMG, NIT PG, INI set papers and all that, so it will be very difficult. And if I give you an example, okay, for example, in recent days I am going through the lectures of surgery. So I completed the first part. In the first part there are 10 to 12 lectures of basic surgery, like all the instruments like scissors, forceps, and what are the basic things that you should do when like the basic things, like if a patient comes, like also the triage in which you need to group the patients, like red, yellow, green, all that stuff. So basically the doctor is Rohan Khandelwal sir. So, and he teaches you in such a very nice way that, and yesterday only I was going to the first lecture of trauma. Okay, so the first chapter basically in belly is trauma. First you'll be reading trauma management, then like abdominal trauma, and then thoracic trauma and all that. So in in trauma management, the first lecture only you'll get so connected to surgery, like I can't even explain, because in that lecture you'll be showing you all the instruments, like all the practical instruments, like from scissors, tooth scissors, forceps, everything. And also he will show, while laparoscopy we use the instruments, these long instruments like a shotgun. Okay, so all the instruments he will be showing you. I think these instruments we won't be able to see in our colleges also. So it's a very good experience, like if you want to get to know something and enhance your practical and clinical knowledge, you can literally go for Marrow. Like in surgery, I think that was the best subject. Like I'm getting a lot of interest in surgery, and the teachers are literally, the doctors are very good in explaining. And also if you see medicine, Rakesh sir, he is also very good. Like he combines all in medicine, like physiology, anatomy, and also biochem. And it isn't that he says like this is in biochem, so you can refer to that module. He also clears the concept of biochem there itself only. So I think it's a very good thing if you want to go for the clinical and all the aspects you want to cover. So it's a better thing to go for Marrow. I'm not saying you can't go for prep letter also you can go, but the thing is, yeah, it depends on you. But I am using Marrow, and I feel Marrow is very good if you want to use. And then the next big question is how to use Marrow. So what I do is basically like now, for example, I was giving surgery. So I was reading surgery, like 8 to 9 lectures of basic surgery, like the basic lectures. So after every 2 to 3 lectures, there are 30 to 40 questions there only in the question bank. So you can solve that. Okay, what I do is I go through the lectures, I make notes, class notes from the from what Rohan sir teaches, and then I go and solve the question banks after revising that once. So that's a very good thing. You can do it, and according to sir, you know, like you can complete surgery I think in maximum 1 month. If you are like, now it's locked down, the online classes are going on, you get a lot of time to read. You can complete in one go surgery also. Like any subject, it takes time, but what you can basically do is go through the video lectures, make notes, revise one time, and go and solve the Q bank. Okay, and what you can do in Marrow is you can go and again refresh it. So if you refresh it, the question banks will show you as new, like again you can go and attempt for that. So it's a very good thing. So you can do this. I follow this, and I hopefully think it will be very useful to you also. So this is a good strategy to use Marrow. And also after doing this, what you can do is, after you've completed the whole chapter, okay, like trauma you've completed whole, then you can go and read the book. Basically Rohan sir teaches more like in connection with Bailey, so you can read Bailey or any book you can read, okay, everything is covered. So this is the way I read, and I suppose if you read also your college exams and FMG and NEET PG also, you can do very good in that. So this is a detailed video about my review on Marrow. Like, it's been very useful for me. You can also use it. I think on my perspective, go for Plan C. It will be very useful for you guys, because like if you go for A or B, then again you regret that I wanted C, so you can't upgrade. Like if you go for now also for 1 year Marrow Plan C subscription, and after like you have 1 month to complete Marrow Plan C and you want to extend, what you can do is at that time also you can extend it to 2 years. And for one year I think it is 32,500, and for 2 years it's 48,000. okay, so and also like what I said, it's better you can use my coupon. I've given it in my link in description and also pinned comment. So what basically it will do is it will profit you and me also. Like I'll get 15 days extra, you'll also get 15 days extra, so that's it. So yeah, it will help us in extending our subscription. So that's it for the video, and if you do like, do comment, like and subscribe. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos and then edit and then also upload it while my exams and online classes are going on. So please do show some love and like, comment, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, so that you get notifications instantly when I upload a video. So thank you.